Suli and Dr. Nazik have teamed up to offer such an incredible, fascinating program to get us through such a difficult time. It is now more important than many times in the past for us to pull together, for us to collaborate, to help one another, to create community, to be the change that we wish to see. Fear and anxiety and uncertainty must be the feelings that a lot of us are feeling right now. Many of us are dealing with stress, taking care of loved ones, uncertainty about the future, about your finances, about your education, but you're not alone. Many of us are just plain bored. We haven't been this bored ever before in our lives. And we're trying to figure out what the next move will be. You are still not alone. Many of you are concerned that you'll miss major life events. You are still not alone. Just know that some of the greatest inventions, some of the most wonderful creativity, some of the most profitable businesses were born out of times of uncertainty and despair. One thing's for sure, there are a lot of things that are out of our control. But I can say that we can control what we can't control. Control what you can control. Take care of your health. Continue to be there for one another. Continue participating in programs like this one. Stick to a good sleep routine. Continue to engage hobbies. Stay active. Stay engaged. And I applaud you for taking the first step by participating in a program like this. I believe that we'll win. I believe that we'll get through this together. Continue to stay safe out there and enjoy the program. Thank you so much, Javier.
Thank you, Mr. Calvin.